Hey y'all, this is Amanda and welcome back to my Texas Donate a Garden, and today we're going to be working on the front curve of this garden. We're going to be clearing it out and prepping it for winter. Okay, the front curve of the front garden has done really well this year. We had the Sun Credibles from Proven Winners, which were stunning. I can't wait to plant them again for next year. We had Gomphrena that reseeded itself throughout the garden, and then I transplanted it here. We have some celosia. We have some little baby zinnias over here. We do have the Cleome that was Proven Winners as well. I think it was called Rosalita. That did really well. There's some other things kind of buried down there that's ended up being a little bit of a hodgepodge just throughout the season. As I changed things out, it got a little messy. But I want to go ahead and just take all of this out, clear it up. I've got some random old mums that I'm going to come out with. I just want to clear out the whole space because this area is going to transition next year to more perennials, less annuals, which I'm really excited about. So first things first, we're going to take everything up. I'm going to be cutting everything at the stem, leaving the roots in. Even though these are annuals, I'm going to go ahead and leave the roots in so they can go ahead and nourish the soil that's there. And then we're going to top dress everything with compost and get planting. Okay, the area looks pretty good. I ripped up everything I could. I added a little bit of compost. I didn't have as much compost as I thought I did, but I added what I had. But I'm not real worried. This soil is really rich, so it should be good. Look at these dahlias that finally came up. These are called Color Spectacle. I've just left these in. This is, I think, their second year. Left them in over the winter. Really pretty. Took all year to get them. They literally have been growing since May. They're looking really good. Let me show you guys this one other area of the garden that I think is looking especially beautiful, where I've got all the Heuchera Corabelle hybrids from Proven Winners. This right here is Dolce Wildberry. This is Cherry Truffles. That's Black Pearl, and then Wildberry, and then Cherry Truffles again. But this whole front portion of the garden is looking really pretty, especially with the pumpkins tucked in. Looks really good. Okay, let me show you what I'm putting in. I keep it pretty simple for the winter, so we're going to be utilizing, this is Penny Blue Violas. And I've got a couple of flats of these. These do beautifully. They also get really big in the spring. So this one little plant will get about 10 inches across. So this ends up filling in really nicely. I have Dusty Miller, and I love Dusty Miller for that kind of grayish winter color. I have some more pansies over here. I don't believe there's a tag. Oh, there is a tag. Let me see. This is just the matrix mix of pansies. These are really pretty, kind of a pinkish purple tone. And then these over here are a little bit darker, a darker pink, a darker burgundy. Let me see if I see a tag. I do not see a tag anywhere on these, so I don't know the names of those, but very, very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to focus on this front portion. I'm going to start by spreading them all out, and then I'll start plugging them in. Okay, I don't have tons of mulch, but I'm going to go ahead and start with this bag and start spreading it in and among these. I'll have to go grab another bag. I don't use mulch a lot in my gardens. I think it's kind of just that I'm lazy, truthfully. It's just not something I do a lot with. And but I've been taking a series of online classes from Callie with the Dallas Garden School, and she has stressed the importance of mulch. So I am going to try to do more effort regarding that. I don't know what mulch I like or don't like. If you have a brand that you like, let me know. I haven't had enough experience with any particular brand to, make a decision regarding it. But I do like the way it looks when you do this. And I know it's better for your plants, especially if you're in a drought. And of course, this breaks down over time, which is good. I think I'm going to concentrate on the front pansies and violas, and then I'll get another bag and put it towards the back by the crepe myrtle. I have a lot of weeds back there, so it obviously needs mulch to help with some weed suppression as well. There are some daffodils tucked in here that have naturalized, but I am going to be planting some more daffodils throughout this little area. That'll be on a separate video. Okay, I think it looks really pretty. I love how I spaced everything out. Last year I did like an ombre effect, but I think I did everything so close together that it didn't really show up very much. But you can see this really cleans up this front circle. And the Dusty Miller grows taller than the Pansies Violas, so it'll be a really nice backdrop for it. I do intend doing some more Pansies and Violas and Dusty Millers in 2 other locations in the garden, so those will be upcoming videos, but I feel good. I feel like this is all buttoned up for the winter right here. I do want to do some more mulch back there. I have a sedum, an autumn joy sedum that needs to be transplanted. This willow I started this year, this is not a tree. This was just an experiment. It should not make it through the winter, but I am going to be cutting it down soon to use it for some arrangements. I just stuck it there in the summer. Not the best place, but it's fine. And the coleus is getting to the end of its life cycle, so I'll be cutting that back and filling that space in as well. Yeah, the house is looking, or the garden's looking really good. I want to tuck in some more daffodils in here. Yeah, feeling good about it though. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's video. Starting to get the garden buttoned up for the winter, where I'm removing summer annuals and replacing them with some winter. And then a lot of areas I'm just going to be removing everything, laying down compost and laying down mulch, and then I won't be planting in that particular area. Ooh, something crawled over me. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love the colors that I've chosen. I think I'm going to be utilizing these mostly through the front garden, which I'm really excited about. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.